Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an infinity symbol logo with Adobe Illustrator. Hope you will enjoy this video very much. Let's start. Select the pen tool and create a circle. And then, create the stroke about 13 pixels. Now, select the circle and go to the scissors tool, and cut the two anchor point. Now, delete the divided small part. Select the pen tool, and increase the line, like this. Select the object, press the right button of the mouse, and click Transform, and create 45-degree angle, and then press OK. Select the object, click right button of the mouse, click Transform, then Reflect, and then Horizontal and click Copy. Select both of the object, increase the stroke line 15 pixels, and then expand the object. Go to the selection tool. Select the object and drag the point to reach rounded corner. Select the object, go to the gradient option and apply the color same as video. Select another object, and apply the same color by selecting the eyedropper tool. Draw a line with pen tool, select the object, and delete the overlapping option with shape builder tool. Now, draw a shape over the object with pen tool. Delete the unexpected area with shape builder tool, like as previous. Select the shape, and apply the gradient color. And make sure that one side opacity is 0%. Now, do the same like as previous. Water down the logo name under the icon. Thank you for watching the video.